Hi guys, welcome to In the Loop. I'm TJ Manoto. It's a Friday, kaya let's start things off with a light note with this viral video of a really funny lola na maraming baon na jokes. Ito ang ilang pasample ni Lola.
Anong bansa ang maraming matamis?
Alin?
Switzerland. Saan binaril si Dr. Jose Rizal? Sa likod. Anong isda ang walang tinik? Ano? Fishball.
Siya si Nanay Pina and she's long been a favorite of visitors at the Kanungan ni Maria Home for the Aged in Antipolo. The original video has been shared more than 36,000 times and has almost 13,000 likes. Chris Aquino has been in the news lately, apparently for unfollowing other celebrities who had something to say about Pinoy's non-appearance at the arrival honors for the fallen men of the PNP SAF. But as of yesterday, Chris reached out to Judy Ann Santos at kahit hindi raw sila close, there's always been warmth. Judy in turn said she was relieved that Chris texted her. Hindi raw niya intensyon nasaktan si Chris at naintindihan niya ang pinagdadaanan nito. Chris posted a text exchange on her Instagram account with a hashtag mutual respect. Ngayong kinumpirma na ng FBI na patay na nga sa pamamagitan ng DNA match ang teroristang si Zulkifli Binhir alias Marwan, ang tanong, kanino mapupunta ang reward money? Marwan has a $5 million bounty or more than 220 million pesos. Senator Alan Peter Cayetano and Bayan Muna Representative Nery Colmenares says it should be given to the relatives of the slain and injured members of SAF. But the police attaché at the Philippine Embassy in Washington, D.C. says only civilian informants are eligible for the bounty offered by the U.S. government. Malacanang, meanwhile, does not want to comment on the issue yet, and they want to focus on the investigation on the Mama Sapano incident. Now, do you remember Bruce Jenner from the reality show Keeping Up with the Kardashians? Well, he's now becoming a woman. People magazine reported that Bruce told his ex-wife Kris Jenner and the rest of his children of his transition. Suportado siya ng kanyang pamilya. The 65-year-old former decathlete was an Olympic gold medalist and he will reportedly have his own reality show documenting his transition. Well, ang importante ay kung saan ka masaya. Thanks for clicking on us again. That's it for us today. I'm TJ Manoto, keeping you in the loop.